Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. That way you'll never miss out on another video. And hit the bell and the notifications so that you're always notified. You don't want to miss out because I'm trying to do as much moon phase related stuff as I can, especially in my shorts. Like the colors you're supposed to use. Yeah, that happens a lot over here. The colors you're supposed to use on which day and what herbs you're supposed to use on which day. I'm trying to teach as much of that as I can. But today we're getting into something a little more exciting. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. I'm really excited, okay? It is really late at night and I just filmed a video for the new moon that's coming up. It's called the Black Moon. So keep an eye out for that one. But this probably might go on after that. But today we're doing a Mindful Souls unboxing. So here is the box. I have it in my hands right here. Now, they also sent me a deck of cards, okay? Now, this is something that I found to be very, very useful when it comes to therapy, okay? Now, I know a lot of you guys probably like me. I don't like going to therapy. I don't like talking to another person about my problems, really. I actually really find it therapeutic to journal about things. And this is called the Soul Bridges Meaningful Conversation Prompts. And it's a card deck of 60 cards. Now, I'm going to get into this whether here or on Patreon. But let's see the first card. So here's what the cards looks like. It's pretty, right? So let's just pick one for today. And it says, describe your vision for your dream home or personal sanctuary space. And this is a dream card. So let me know in the comments section down below. And if you want, I can do a shorts like every day of every single card. These are really, really good questions. Describe your vision for your dream home or personal sanctuary space. Now, for me, I manifested my dream home, my dream sanctuary space. Now, what I need to do is also manifest the dream sanctuary space in my mind. Now, we're human beings, right? So that fluctuates. We go through our ups and downs, just like if you buy a house, the house goes through ups and downs. Plumbing issues, maybe landscaping issues, gardening, or shower, your closet, I don't know, your toilet, I don't know. But when you live in a house, there's a lot of different issues you face, just like in life. It's always ups and downs, and things go wrong, you fix it, and then you move on. It's just the way that we react to these things, right? So that actually made me think of that. Okay, so the first thing is they always have a sticker. So this sticker says, be the reason that someone smiles today. This is really nice. And I love putting these stickers in my journals or my planners or on my fridge. And this is a really good message because lately, I can go weeks and weeks and weeks without leaving my house. Oh yes, I can. I've done it. But when I finally do go out, the way that I perceive people, the way I look at them, it's a whole newfound respect. I can kind of see and gauge people's behaviors and the way they act, their posture, their tone of voice, what they say, how they make eye contact, or if they make eye contact. And so you just never know what anyone is going through. Always just smile at everyone. Sometimes I'll smile at people and they will not smile back. And usually it's females. I don't know why that is, but that's what I've experienced. But I will always try to smile at people because I know when someone smiles at me, a stranger, like in a store, it just makes you feel good, makes your day sometimes. That somebody acknowledged you and just smiled at you. A smile is a very powerful thing. It's a very powerful energy. And yeah. So it's so meaningful, right? Little things are so meaningful. in this box. And then in here, this is a card, and these I used to put on my fridge all the time. Affirmation for crystal work. So crystals amplify my intentions, turning my thoughts into positive manifestations. So you can actually use this for your crystals. You can charge your crystals by saying that my thoughts are going to make you my manifestation. This is powerful too. It's a powerful affirmation. Now this is a card where they have probably what everything is inside the box. Let's get into the box. So here's what the box looks like inside. I'm like rambling on and on. Okay, so the first thing is, and I love that they come into the pouches because I use these pouches for my laundry. I'll put lavender in it or something in it and throw it into my laundry. This is a spoon with a clear quartz crystal on the top. Perfect, beautiful. I drink tea every single morning. That is going to come into use. Okay, the next thing that we have here is this. Ooh, what is that? I've been wanting something to put as like my anklet. Is that something I could? It's moss agate and labradorite. So if you guys have been following me for years, labradorite is my favorite crystal. It is my luckiest crystal. That crystal brings me the most luck. So I'm very excited about that. I'm gonna try to see if I could put that on my feet. And then the next thing is, oh, this is definitely labradorite. I know my crystal. She is my favorite. I know that's a labradorite. This is a pretty big one. I mean, usually if you go to a store, this size is already $33. And I think that the whole box subscription per month is around $33. So, okay, the next thing, there's a lot of things here. Okay, this is lapis. I know this is lapis lazuli, which is really good for throat chakra opening. And how pretty does this look? Even on this red dress that I have on right now, you could wear this on black, you could wear this on red, you could wear this. This is beautiful. I'm gonna wear this. This is really, really pretty. It's a lapis, so it's to open your throat chakra, and when you speak, you know, people will listen and people will hear. Okay, and if you guys want, I can show you how to charge a lapis for that intention and wear it around your neck. Let me know if you guys want that. The next thing that we have, this is a lot of things for $33. Okay, this, I don't know what this is, what crystal this is. Let me see. Mahogany obsidian. I don't have a mahogany. Mahogany is something that I grew up with. My dad used to love mahogany. My dad is a horrible human being, but he had good taste. Mahogany and brown is my lucky color. I feel a connection to this as soon as I picked it up, as soon as I held it in my hands. For some reason, for me, I have this really special connection with brown color, brown crystals, amber, brown scent, like tea. I have an addiction to tea, brown tea or red tea. So that's interesting. And then we have the last thing in here. This one is it looks like a big item. So let's see what this is. And then we'll head out of here. And if you guys are interested, go head over to the website. I think you can even buy these things separate, like individually. What is this? Something fell out. Wait, oh, wait, something fell out. Okay. So, I'm not sure what this is. I think it's, those incense cone burners where you put the cone on top and then the cone kind of like makes a fountain. I think that's what this is. Right? Let me see real quick. Lotus flower incense holder for the crown chakra. So, yeah, I do think that this, my cats are all up in my altar right behind me. So I think this would be really good for incense. So, and it's really, really pretty, guys. Look at that. You could even use this bowl as like offerings, you know. So overall, this was a really, I think this was my favorite box ever that I got from Mindful Souls. It was a really, really good box. Really, really good box. Really fun to open. Everything was good quality. I could use it. I can use it to enhance my life spiritually and everything like that. And I hope that I've gave you guys ways to use it too. And if you guys are interested, check them out. And I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.